1. What event does Joel describe as a sign of the coming day of the Lord? A. A great earthquake. B. A swarm of locusts. C. A great flood. D. A fiery mountain. Answer. B. A swarm of locusts. 2. What did Joel call the people to do in response to God's judgment? A. Build altars. B. Repent and return to the Lord. C. Offer sacrifices only. D. Celebrate festivals. Answer. B. Repent and return to the Lord. 3. According to Joel, what would happen to the land during the day of the Lord? A. It would flourish. B. It would dry up. C. It would be conquered. D. It would overflow with rain. Answer. B. It would dry up. 4. Which army is used by God as an instrument of judgment in Joel? A. Assyrians. B. Babylonians. C. Egyptians. D. Locusts. Answer. D. Locusts. 5. Where were the priests instructed to weep and mourn? A. At the city gates. B. In the fields. C. Between the porch and the altar. D. On the mountains. Answer. C. Between the porch and the altar. 6. What promise did God give after the people repented? A. Political power. B. Military victory. C. Outpouring of His Spirit. D. A new king. Answer. C. Outpouring of His Spirit.